This lesson is about getting you ready in order for you to be an affiliate marketing ClickFunnels products. Okay, ClickFunnels has many high conversion products, highly converting products, and many offers, and you don't even need to worry about the offers because Russell's has already tested their messages. They have already tested the videos. They have already tested the conversion, the offers, and everything. Okay, every time they launch something is $1 million conversion business. Okay, so it's a proven business model, it's a proven product, it's a proven system. We are just tapping on the existing system. Okay, as an affiliate. Now to make sure that we are compliant with everything that is required from ClickFunnels, including with Facebook's, you need to consume this document. Okay, you can download the PDF over here. You just need to consume this document. All right. This document is basically mostly to make sure that other people are not competing and buying keywords in Google Ads, which is all this belongs to ClickFunnels. Okay, and the other most important thing is, of course, to make sure that your messaging is not misleading. One of the things that FTC goes after a company is when the company, or rather their affiliates, started, running campaigns with misleading messages. Get rich quick, a promise to make money. Like for instance, you buy this 100,000 mastermind, you are going to get the magic bullet that will make you a consistent 6-figure business every year, like that. Those are misleading. Those are claims. Facebook doesn't allow that. Google doesn't allow that. So now, in order for ClickFunnels to remain in the business compliantly, they have to make sure everybody as an affiliate follows the same rules. Because you know what? When some black sheep comes up and say, "Get rich quick, join ClickFunnels, and I'll make you rich in 1 week." When someone says something like that, Facebook will comes in and not go after this person. They will just suspend this person's account, but they will go after ClickFunnels. When FTC steps in, whom do they go after? They are not going after individuals because individuals have not enough assets for them to sue after, to go after. They'll go after the big company with the assets, with the money. Okay, if that happens, then when if ClickFunnels shut down, then we don't have a proper business to model after to promote for. Okay, so this is the reason why everybody must follow to be compliant. Okay, and this is a guide, a very good guide. It cleans up the industry. It makes sure everybody follows the rules, so that everybody has a proper business to grow. Okay, so that's the basics. When it comes to affiliate marketing, what's not okay, if you go down all the way to this affiliate funnels and links, is that for all newbies, usually what they do is they will post link. When they first join the opportunity, they get excited and they start posting their links everywhere in every group. The raw affiliate link, which is not okay. Okay, including if you run a Facebook ads that drives traffic directly to ClickFunnels homepage, like for instance the OFA or funnel scripts, right? It's a big no-no. Okay, you cannot even get your ads approved on Facebook. Sometimes it got through, but soon they will find out and they will shut your campaigns down. Okay, that's not compliant. That driving traffic straight to an affiliate link is a big no-no, unless that traffic is not Facebook but it's solo ads. That's okay. Okay, so now you understand why there are some people, when they start trying to teach newbies to get started quick, is solo ads. But the problem is, number one, they don't have a converting funnel. Okay, so if they don't have a converting funnel and they haven't gotten everything set up for email autoresponder, they don't get to build their list. But they do get to send traffic to the ClickFunnels offer page. When that happens, what it's a good start because you're driving traffic, and the traffic gets to your offer, your affiliate link, okay, and they um, in return will, some of them will convert. So that's the fastest way to get started. So when they convert, then money comes in, commission comes in. But the problem is you don't get to build your links, your list. The right way to do so is to fit in the middle. When you run a Facebook ad, the first page, that's why we call it a landing page. The first page that your traffic should go to is your funnel, which is your landing page, which is also called your opt-in page or your squeeze page. This is where you integrate this with your email autoresponder, and you get to build your list before they are redirected to the actual affiliate page of the offer that you are promoting. Okay, your funnel is basically what we call the bridge page. Why is it called bridge? Because you're bridging your offer to ClickFunnels, because the ClickFunnels is not your product. That's why it's called a bridge. Okay, and that's the reason why now they come up with these documents to make sure that everybody has their own bridge page, so that they don't start sending traffic, especially from Facebook, to ClickFunnels pages. Okay, to make sure that it is compliant. And also within your bridge page, you must also make sure that you are compliant. All right, so using testimonials and disclaimers, honest, clear advertising, income claims and substantiation, right? These income claims is a big no-no now. So that gives you an idea of what you need to do, how you need to guide your people when they want to promote an offer as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so that's the first part. Now let me move on to the next part.